Hello everybody, in this video I wanted to show you a little piece of our past. If you're new to the Simply Schedule Appointments plugin, you may not know that we redid the documentation or the help center around 2 years ago, and ever since then we've been adding more and more to it and building it out. But I wanted to show you a really quick video of the old documentation center and show you guys the before and after. So this is not the actual documentation from the past. I recreated the layout and the styling of it. So this is on our new website, so the header is not the same as before, and then the footer is our new one as well. But as far as the layout and then the titles of all these are the exact same guides that were listed out in the past. So as you can see here, we have the getting started. We have 3 guides under that. And then another thing we did in the past was break out all the guides based on the edition. So here, these are all the ones for the basic edition. These are the ones for the plus edition, professional, and we didn't have business edition yet. But was a lot of repetition. For example, we have 3 advanced scheduling guides. And they would essentially say the same thing, maybe sometimes they would be tweaked. We had frequently asked questions, we had troubleshooting, and then we also have developer documentation. And then I wanted to show you a really quick after. Of course, you can always visit simplyscheduleappointments.com/help center and you'll see the same thing. So in our new documentation center, we've built out a landing page that has a collection of different buckets. So we have the common issues, the frequently asked questions, finish setting up plus, pro, business, and we wanted to make it really easy for a customer clicking the help center to immediately, if they have an issue, we don't want to frustrate them more and have them click through all these side tabs. We wanted to make sure that those are front and center. And so then after that, I want to show you getting started. So where before we only had 3 guides on how to get started. So we had how to display the booking form, installing the premium edition, and then what to do after you install the SSA plugin. So now we have a far more fleshed out set of getting started guides. So we have this one here, start here. So right after you finish with our setup wizard, this is a good one to visit. How to install them, how to display the booking calendars, some other helpful ones, so like the admin dashboard walkthrough. Some people might land on our dashboard and need a little more guidance. And we have our support policy listed here as well. I also have 4 different guides that break out each edition by features, and then those will link you out to all the guides that are relevant to those. So instead of having a giant list of all the guides for each edition, we can put that into each one of these instead. And then that way we avoid a lot of repetitiveness. And then we have the embed booking calendar. So if you're using one of these page builders, you can start here immediately. And if we click into one of these for the edition guides, you can see all the relevant features listed here. Each one of these is going to link out to guides somewhere else in the help center. We also built out this little handy widget where it highlights what edition this is relevant to. So you can see here, this is only for the business edition, but some other ones, for example, our appointment type ones, like this one, you'll see it's relevant to all of them. And lastly, I wanted to show you guys the troubleshooting tab. As you can see here, we have a whole lot more guides to help people when they're stuck with certain issues. Whereas before we only had these 4 troubleshooting guides, and some of these were a little repetitive. So this notifications and this notifications cron, we ended up combining into a single one. And then if we go over here, now you'll see we have some for notification related ones, performance related ones, appointments, Google Calendar sync, and then for just account stuff. And then we can flip through a couple more, but I hope that was helpful, and please let us know if you have any questions.